You know what always amazes me is how much just saying a simple hello can change the mood of your whole day, especially at school or work. Why do you think starting conversations in these places is such a big deal?
Honestly, building connections makes everything feel easier. If you chat a little, you start to feel like you belong, and it doesn't matter if you're new or a bit shy. Plus, you pick up on what's going on and build your confidence at the same time.
That's such a good point. Even just asking, "How's your day going?" can open the door to a real conversation. You don't have to get fancy. Just being friendly is enough.
Totally. Some people worry they need perfect English or long sentences, but really, small questions are the start of every great conversation. That reminds me, let's get into some of the best phrases to use.
So picture this. You walk into your classroom or the office and see someone you know. Sometimes your mind just goes blank, right?
Oh, absolutely, my mind used to go completely blank, but having a few easy phrases ready really helps. Stuff like, "Hi, how's your day going?" Or, "Did you have a busy morning?" Just gets things rolling.
Exactly. And they sound natural. You could say them to almost anyone. Your teacher, your boss, or your friend. Plus they're short, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in a long sentence.
Right. And when someone asks you back, you don't need a long answer either. Just something simple like, "Pretty good, thanks." Or, "Not bad, just a bit tired." Want to try saying one together?
Sure, let's go with "pretty good, thanks." It's friendly and you can use it almost every day. Try to say it with a smile. It makes all the difference. Something I noticed is how "pretty good thanks" comes out when native speakers say it. It's almost like pre-D instead of pretty.
Yes, that little t in pretty softens so much, almost like a quick sound. It really makes your English sound more relaxed and smooth.
Let's break it down together. First, slow. "Pretty good, thanks." And now a bit faster. "Pretty good, thanks." That's the real-life version you'll hear all the time.
It sounds way more natural that way, doesn't it? If you can say it like that, people will understand you easily and you'll feel more confident too.
Let's put this into action. Imagine you spot your classmate just before class starts. What would you say?
I'd go with something like, "Hey, how's your day going?" And maybe your classmate says, "Pretty good, thanks. Just studying for the test."
And you could answer, "Oh yeah, me too." It's a hard one. Short, friendly, and you've both shared a little about your day.
Exactly. That's what real conversation sounds like. No big words, just genuine interest and a little kindness.
Switching gears to the office, imagine you're at the coffee machine. What's something you could say to a coworker?
I'd probably say, "Morning, how are things today?" And maybe get a reply like, "Pretty busy morning, but not too bad."
That's so true. Maybe you add, "Yeah, same here. I've got a meeting soon." It keeps the conversation moving, but doesn't feel forced.
Little exchanges like that really make the workplace feel friendlier. Even if it's just a minute or two, it makes a difference.
Once you've said hello and asked your question, the next step is keeping the chat going. What's something simple you might add?
It really helps to throw in a follow-up like, "Oh really? What are you working on?" Or even just, "That sounds interesting." It shows you're actually listening.
Let's try a little role play. I'll start, "Hey, did you have a busy morning?"
"Yeah, super busy. I had 2 meetings already."
"Oh wow, what were they about?" See, just a few lines, and suddenly you've got a real conversation happening.
And honestly, if you ever get stuck, just smile, nod, or ask another question. That's how you keep things comfortable and friendly.
Let's talk about what can trip people up. One big mistake, just staying silent. It happens to everyone at some point.
Oh, for sure. Sometimes people freeze, thinking their English isn't good enough, so they say nothing. But even a tiny greeting breaks the ice.
Another thing I see all the time is always using the same phrase, like "how are you?" every single day. It's good, but you need a bit of variety.
Exactly. Try mixing it up. Say, "How's your morning?" Or, "Busy day today." Instead. Oh, and don't rush or mumble, speak calmly and clearly. People will really appreciate it.
Let's do a quick recap. We covered easy ways to start conversations at school and work short, natural greetings and simple answers.
Right, and we practiced phrases like, "Hi, how's your day going?" And "Pretty good, thanks." Maybe now's the time for a quick speaking challenge.
Imagine you're in your classroom. What would you say to your friend? Try it out loud, right now, even if it feels a bit silly.
And then picture yourself at work with a coworker. What's one friendly question you could ask? The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Exactly. Even short conversations help your confidence grow. And if you want extra practice, try writing 3 short conversations and share them with us. Before we wrap up, one last tip. Be curious about people. Ask small, easy questions. It really shows you care.
People really notice when you show interest, and it makes the conversation so much smoother. Plus, you'll find it gets easier each time you try.
And remember, you don't have to chat for ages. Just a friendly hello and one question is more than enough to get started.
Absolutely. Every little conversation is practice, and each one helps you sound more natural and confident. So next time, give it a try with a smile.